So how do we find the mass percents of copper and iodine in copper-2 iodide? Well, first thing is we're going to solve the total mass of the compound. I'm going to use the following table to help us out. And then I'm going to add a column, and it's going to be easy peasy. Watch how simple this is. Bam! So the first thing I'm going to do is write down the elements I see in the compound, right? So we see copper, Cu, and we see iodine, I. Next is then to write down the number of atoms. That's where the subscripts come into play. If there is no number at the bottom of that particular element like copper, there is a 1 there. All right, so always assume that there's 1. So 1 copper, and then there's 2 iodine. Next is we're going to take those number of atoms and multiply it by the mass of the element. Where do we find the mass? You guessed it, periodic table. So here are the masses of both copper and iodine, and I'm now going to write them down. All right, so 63.55, so it's 63.55 for copper, and then iodine is about 126.90. And then we're going to simply find the total mass of each element by multiplying the row on across for each element. So this works out to be 63.55. Total mass of iodine is then going to work out to be roughly 253.80. And then to find the total mass of the entire compound, just add up the total mass of each individual element, right? Isn't that so nice and easy? So this is 317.35. And that was the first step to that process, right? To find the total mass of the compound. Now that I found that total mass, I'm going to add one more column to the table. Mass percent is going to be easy peasy here. Bam. So to find the mass percent or the percent composition here of copper, we're going to take the total mass of that copper divided by the total mass of the entire compound. All right, so that's going to be 63.55, divided then by the total mass of the compound, 317.35, hence why we had to do that first, and then multiply by 100. This is a simple percent calculation. It's going to be part over whole multiplied by 100, right? So simply, when you throw this on into the calculator if you need it, or if you can do it in your head, that'd be even better, right? There's going to be 20.03%, all right? And then when we do it for iodine, we're going to take the total mass of that iodine, which is 253.80, divide it then by the total mass of that compound, 317.35. Multiply it by 100. My handwriting is getting terrible as we progress here, but that's because my hand's about to fall off. I've been doing this for the past, I don't know what, 6 hours. So I think I'm going to take a break. What do you think? 79.97 now percent. All right. Also, it's a little late. I should really get to bed. My God. 1:07 a.m. Good for me. All right. Total here is 100%. I'm out for this. All right. Thanks for tuning in. Yeah. I'll see you later. Thank God I had coffee before. Well, hopefully I can fall asleep now. Well, what are you going to do?